Hi, I'm 𝖓𝖆𝖆𝖈. Let's continue back to the series. So now we are going to write data to an Excel file. In this video, we are not going to add data to an existing file, but we will be creating a new file. So we are now importing again the OpenPyXL module. And let's create here a data variable. And let's add into it rows of data. So it comes in rows, lists. So it's again, we have a list of lists. So let's say roll number and name and marks. Let me paste the data to save time. It's just a sample data. Here now I will create a workbook object. So this is how you'll do it. Now we will of course create a sheet object. It points to the first sheet, which is created by default. So we'll simply add data to it. For every row in my data, append it to the sheet. And now simply save the workbook object to our local file. And that's all. Let me create a line. Let me add a line to open that file automatically. So that you could see the result. Now let's run the code. So here's the data we saved, and we are noticing that we have a warning signs in roll number and marks column. To get rid of this warning, we just need to save the numerical values as integers, not as string. So this is how you do it with all other rows, and this warning will go away. So that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and see you next time. Bye bye.